What did I learn from the courses? The courses I watched on the Academy Skills website, like Lila's Dilemma, Career Pursuit, Why Do You Want to Be, What Makes You Tick, and Get Some Experience. I learned how to better understand myself and plan my career. In Lila's Dilemma, a story is presented where someone has to make a tough decision, helping learners think about how to make choices in their own lives. Career Pursuit helps people figure out what career they want and how to achieve their goals. Why do you want to be? Encourage people to think about their motivation and why they are interested in certain career. What makes you tick? Focus on understanding what drives you and what you're passionate about. Lastly, get some experience. Teach the importance of gaining real-world experience, like internship or volunteering, to build skills and improve your chances of getting hired. Overall, these courses guide people through self-reflection, career exploration, and taking action toward achieving their goals.